Hey everyone, it's Kim and welcome back. For me, one of the best parts of camping is the food. There's just something magical about a hot meal after a long hike. But that magic disappears fast with a weak, unreliable camp stove. We've all struggled with slow boils, tiny burners, or fighting the wind just to get dinner started. That's why I set out to find the best camping stove. One that's powerful, easy to use, fuel efficient, and reliable in any weather. My team and I tested 6 top-rated stoves, pushing them to their limits: setup, ignition, flame control, boiling speed, and wind performance. We cooked everything from pancakes to stews to see which stoves could really handle outdoor cooking. By the end, you'll know exactly which stove fits your adventures, whether you're solo or feeding a family. I'll break down the pros and cons, share our real-world results, and reveal our top pick. Let's get cooking. When it comes to selecting the best overall camping stove, the options can seem endless. But after rigorous testing and careful consideration, one model consistently rises to the top: the Coleman Cascade Classic Camp Stove. It's a name synonymous with reliability and performance in the great outdoors. This stove is all about reliability and simplicity, a straightforward design that gets the job done without any unnecessary complications. Forget about fumbling with intricate setups. Just open, connect the propane tank, and you're ready to cook up a storm. The built-in piezo igniter fired up every time, providing a consistent and dependable spark to get your cooking started. This reliable ignition system makes setup a breeze, even in challenging weather conditions. No more struggling with matches or lighters. What really sets it apart is the flame control, the ability to fine-tune the heat to match your cooking needs. Each burner has a responsive dial for precise heat adjustment, giving you complete command over your cooking temperature. From a roaring boil for quickly preparing pasta to a gentle simmer for slowly cooking delicate sauces, this stove handles it all with ease. We put it to the test, and it truly delivered. We cooked pancakes to golden perfection, sautéed veggies with a delightful crispness, and simmered chili to a hearty, flavorful consistency. No burning, no fuss. Just consistently delicious results every time. The adjustable wind guards are a game changer, especially when cooking in exposed outdoor environments. They provide excellent protection for your flame, ensuring consistent heat even in breezy conditions, and they let you use larger pots without worrying about instability. In our wind tests, the Cascade Classic's flame stayed remarkably steady, maintaining a consistent cooking temperature, while others flickered erratically or even went out completely, highlighting the Cascade Classic's superior wind resistance. With 20,000 total BTUs, this stove packs a serious punch, delivering ample heat for all your cooking needs. It boiled a liter of water in under 4 minutes, fast and efficient, saving you valuable time and fuel on your camping trips. The sturdy steel build feels incredibly solid and stable, providing a reliable cooking platform that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. And it's priced well below many competitors, making it an exceptional value for the performance and features it offers. For families embarking on camping adventures, car campers seeking a reliable cooking solution, or anyone who wants a versatile do-it-all stove, the Cascade Classic is an excellent choice. The Cascade Classic is a clear winner, offering a compelling combination of performance, durability, and affordability. Superb flame control, allowing you to cook with precision and confidence. Great wind protection, ensuring a consistent flame even in breezy conditions. Easy to use, even for novice campers. And affordable, making it accessible to a wide range of campers. It's a classic for a reason, and our top recommendation for most campers looking for a reliable and versatile cooking solution. You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy great camp cooking. The Coleman Cascade Classic proves that exceptional performance doesn't have to break the bank. The Coleman Cascade Classic will elevate your outdoor meals, transforming your camping trips into culinary adventures. When you're out in the wilderness, sometimes you need more than just a gentle simmer. Sometimes you need raw, unadulterated power to get the job done. Meet the Camp Chef Everest 2X, our pick for best high-output stove. This isn't your average camping stove. It's a powerhouse designed to handle serious cooking demands. Each burner blasts out 20,000 BTUs, delivering intense heat for rapid cooking. That kind of power translates to boiling a liter of water in just 2.5 minutes, by far the fastest in our tests. You'll be sipping your coffee or enjoying that pasta in no time. Perfect for big groups. You can cook a pot of chili and sear steaks at the same time, making it easy to manage multiple dishes simultaneously. This efficient setup cuts down on meal prep, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the outdoors and less time slaving over the stove. The large, sturdy grate fits two 12-inch pans side by side, offering ample space for all your culinary creations. With the Everest 2X, there's no more cramped cooking. You'll have the room you need to spread out and cook comfortably. Its three-sided windscreen keeps flames steady, even when the wind picks up, ensuring consistent cooking performance. And the push-button igniter works flawlessly, providing a reliable spark every time, so you don't have to fumble with matches. Downsides? Let's be realistic. It's big and heavy, so portability is a consideration. It's definitely a car camping stove, not for backpacking. You'll want to have a vehicle nearby to transport it. Flame control at low heat isn't as precise as the Coleman. It's more about power than finesse. Therefore, simmering delicate foods takes extra attention. You'll need to keep a close eye and adjust frequently to prevent burning. And with 40,000 BTUs, it burns through propane quickly, so fuel efficiency isn't its strong suit. Therefore, bring extra fuel for long trips. You don't want to run out of propane in the middle of cooking a feast. If you're cooking for a crowd and want speed and power to quickly prepare meals for everyone, the Everest 2X is unmatched. It truly stands alone in its ability to deliver high-output cooking performance. It's a true powerhouse for group camping. This stove is designed to handle the demands of feeding a hungry crowd in the great outdoors. Just be ready for its size and fuel appetite. Plan accordingly, and you'll be set for success. For those who want restaurant-level cooking at the campsite, who refuse to compromise on quality, even when roughing it, this is your stove. It's an investment in culinary excellence wherever you may roam. It's not for everyone, especially those counting ounces or needing ultimate portability, but for big groups, it's a game changer. It simplifies meal preparation and elevates the entire camping experience. The Everest 2X makes you the hero of any camp kitchen. Get ready for the accolades as you serve up delicious meals with ease. If you want high performance and can handle the bulk, if you prioritize cooking power over packability, this is the one. The Camp Chef Everest 2X, power, performance, and capacity for unforgettable outdoor feasts. The GSI Outdoors. Selkirk 460 Plus is our compact runner-up, a testament to efficient design and powerful performance in a small form factor. It's a stove that understands the needs of campers who prioritize space without sacrificing cooking capability. Agile, powerful, and portable, it's ready to hit the road whenever you are. This stove is designed for adventurers who demand performance without the bulk. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks great, but also ensures durability and easy maintenance on the go. The stainless steel construction resists rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even in harsh outdoor conditions. Is lighter and trimmer than the Coleman or Camp Chef, making it a breeze to pack and carry on any adventure. This size difference can be a game changer when every inch of space counts. Saving space in your car and allowing you to bring along other essential gear. Maximize your packing efficiency with this compact stove. Each burner puts out 14,000 BTUs, providing ample heat for cooking a wide range of meals. From simmering sauces to searing steaks, this stove can handle it all. Boiling water faster than the Coleman, so you can enjoy your morning coffee or prepare meals in record time. Speed and efficiency are key when you're out in the wilderness, but without the Everest's fuel consumption, striking a balance between power and efficiency. You'll get more cooking time out of each propane tank, saving you money and reducing waste. The stainless surface is easy to clean, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying the great outdoors. And the sturdy grate keeps cookware stable, preventing spills and ensuring safe cooking. You can confidently use a variety of pots and pans without worrying about them tipping over. Downsides? Let's talk about some minor compromises. Simmer control isn't as precise as some other models on the market. The flame stays strong even on low, which can be a challenge when preparing delicate dishes. So delicate foods need extra care to prevent burning or overcooking. A little extra attention is all it takes. The cooking area is smaller, which might limit you to using smaller pots and pans. And the wind guards aren't as adjustable, offering slightly less protection in gusty conditions, limiting pot size and potentially affecting your ability to cook larger meals, and wind protection, requiring you to be mindful of stove placement in exposed areas. In wind tests, it performed well, maintaining a consistent flame in moderate breezes, but not as rock-solid as the Coleman, which boasts superior wind resistance. Still, it's a great choice for solo campers who need a reliable and compact cooking solution, couples or small families looking to enjoy delicious meals without lugging around a bulky stove. Who want more power in a compact package, offering the best of both worlds? If you value faster boil times and want to minimize your cooking time at the campsite, and easy cleanup, making your camping experience more enjoyable and less stressful. The Selkirk 460 Plus is a fantastic option, offering a blend of performance, portability, and convenience. Just know you'll trade a bit of simmer control and space for portability, a worthwhile compromise for many campers. It's a high-quality modern stove for those who pack light and appreciate innovative design. Good things really do come in smaller packages, and the Selkirk 460 Plus proves that point perfectly. The Selkirk 460 Plus is proof that you don't have to sacrifice performance for portability. Next, the Coleman Cascade 222, similar to our top pick, but with a few key differences. It has slightly more powerful burners, 11,000 BTUs each, and the same great flame control and push-button ignition. In calm conditions, it boiled water a bit faster than the classic, but the smaller, non-adjustable wind guards were a letdown. Windy conditions caused more flickering and longer boil times. The smaller guards also limit cookware size, making it less versatile for bigger meals. Oddly, it costs more than the classic, despite these drawbacks. If you never camp in the wind, you'll be happy with its performance. But side by side, the classic's better wind protection, larger cooking area, and lower price make it the smarter buy. The Cascade 222 is a good stove, but the classic outshines it where it counts. Sometimes, small design tweaks make a big difference. For most campers, the classic is the better value. The 222 lands in the middle of our pack. It's solid, but not the standout. The Camp Chef Kodiak is all about rugged simplicity, heavy-duty steel, a rock-solid grate, and basic controls. No piezo igniter here. You'll need matches or a lighter. The burners match the Coleman's power, and the large surface fits 2 big pans easily. But the Kodiak's biggest flaw? No real wind protection, just a shallow firebox and a lid. Even a light breeze sent the flames dancing, doubling boil times or blowing them out completely. Flame control is rough, mostly high or slightly less high, making it tough to cook anything delicate. It's also one of the heaviest stoves we tested, making transport a chore. The propane adapter felt flimsy, raising durability concerns. In the end, the Kodiak is tough but impractical for real-world camping. Without wind protection and precise control, it's hard to recommend. It's built like a tank, but lacks the features campers actually need. For most, there are better options. The Kodiak lands near the bottom of our list. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is the most innovative stove we tested, a complete, compact cooking system. Its clamshell design folds up with a pot and skillet into a padded case, perfect for organized, space-saving storage. Setup is quick, and the 4-turn regulator offers the best simmer control of any stove here. The included cookware is high quality and efficient, boiling water fast and cooking evenly. But the Genesis struggles in the wind, no built-in protection, and the included windscreen is flimsy. Even a breeze slowed cooking dramatically. It's also the most expensive system by far, more than the Coleman plus premium cookware combined. The single burner design limits what you can cook at once, unless you buy an extra burner. For most campers, a traditional 2-burner stove is more practical. The Genesis is ideal for overlanders or van lifers who need compact, all-in-one gear and are willing to pay for it. For everyone else, its wind issues and high price are hard to justify. It's a brilliant design but not the best fit for most camp kitchens. The Genesis is a niche pick, not a general winner. That's our deep dive into 6 of the best camping stoves. The right stove depends on your camping style. Coleman Cascade Classic for most, Camp Chef Everest 2X for big groups, GSI Selkirk 460 Plus for compact power. Consider power, portability, and wind resistance when choosing. Think about your group size, favorite meals, and available space. All the stoves are linked below with more details on my blog. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear.